aggressive. Hindi lang, this transition from an open spiker tas libero, it's such a big adjustment.
Oh yeah, for sure. Sakripisyo yan eh.
Yes, definitely.
Ayan, balikan na natin yung laro dito. No? Negros was up 21-15, but a 5-0 run by San Juan. And they were able to tie things up 22 apiece, pero natapos ng Negros with those last 3 points. And then set number 2, Negros. Ito yung set, Gaira, na laging 4-6 yung point discrepancy ng Negros. San Juan, hindi naman sila nalalayo, pero hindi rin sila makadikit.
Yes, yung ano nga nito, Ken, is that nauunahan kasi sila ni Negros, pero talagang naging consistent din naman ang San Juan. But again, kinakapos lang talaga sila. Here on the third set, mas nakita natin nangunguna ang San Juan and they've become more consistent, more aggressive in everything that they were doing. Yun nga lang, nakahabol bigla itong Negros Blue Hawks.
And here in this third set, actually, San Juan had a golden opportunity.
Yes.
They led 17-13, but an 11-4 run by Negros just put this game away. And they ultimately win this one, 25-22, 25-20, and 25-22.